Morning guys, it's around 9 o'clock and it's Sunday, January 15th. I am down in the basement and I decided that I'm cleaning the basement today. I still have to do everything upstairs, but it's not as important to me as this because our basement is out of control. We have our old couch down here. Seamus has a Bowflex. All of his hockey gear's there, our recyclables, our laundry, washer and dryer is going, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but Seamus has all of his work clothes and it turned into having all of his other clothes. So we have all of our decorations, a door that needs to be put in upstairs. I do have shelving here that could be better organized, and this is where all Seamus's clothes are right now. I decided to tackle this today because it is stressing me out, and if I can make it a little better than it is, that's what we're gonna do. Just keep in mind this is an unfinished basement. We have a concrete floor here and open ceiling, so it's not like the prettiest place, but it is just a wreck right now. So I'm gonna try my best to make it look a little better than it does. Someone who likes things to be clean and tidy, this basement is the opposite of that. So I have a few loads of laundry going and I'm just gonna get stuff done. There's a lot of things down here that need to go to the dump or in the garbage. My YouTube lights are over here, and then these are my summer tires, and we do have a fridge and freezer down here as well, so it's a lot. So I'm gonna try to fix it. It's a bit later. I'm headed to the gym now. I figure since I was all sweaty from cleaning the house, I may as well go to the gym for an hour. Seamus finished off the basement and we have a ton of laundry going, but I'm just gonna go to the gym for a little bit and then I'm going to run to the grocery store to get something to have for supper tonight.